Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for cars in the Carlist.my app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Carlist.my app. And here you can see in the search bar, find your dream car with us. Tap on it. You have to select the brand, what you would like to have, let's say Honda. Select the model, select the condition, select the state, and tap on show cars. Show 3 cars, because in this case after the filters are applied, here it's find for me 3 kind of cars. So that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.